What's up YouTube, it's Steve and I'm back with a new video. Normally when I'm sitting outside, that usually means that I'm doing some type of barbecue or some type of grilling video. That's not the case today. Today is something that I haven't done in quite some time, and that's an unboxing / tech video, so stay tuned. So if you've been following my channel for, I don't know, a year or a little more than that, you'll notice that probably about a year or so ago, I decided to take the dive in and get a smartwatch, if you will. For the last couple years, I really didn't see many that I was willing to invest money in. And then Garmin seemed to have a really good brand of smartwatches and fitness devices out. So I took a plunge, got one about a year ago, and I still have it now, the Vivoactive HR. But as of late, I've had some problems with it, and some of them have kind of become deal breakers. So I started looking at some other ones, and really there was only one way to go if I want to stick with what I have, and that's basically the Apple Watch. So what I'm doing right now is a quick unboxing. I'm gonna spend a little time wearing it before I actually do a review, because I want to do a review of it as well as a comparison with this Garmin Vivoactive. So let's get into this unboxing. So this right here is my new Apple Watch, and I didn't mention that this is an open box special. So I found this in one of the big box stores. I'm not going to say which one because I'm not doing videos for them. They're not giving me any money, so you can probably look at this tag and tell. Anyway, this is an open box special. Somebody opened it, didn't like it or whatever, brought it back to the store, so I got it for less than what these normally go for. I got it for $313. These normally run for $360, and it is the GPS watch. I did not get the cellular watch. So let's get into it and see what's inside. This here, again, this has everything that this would normally come with if it was brand new. Right here you've got the box that has like your I believe it's like the owner's manual. Yeah, this type of the owner's manual and the watch band. It's pretty cool. Or I believe it's a replacement for replacement for the one that's already in here. So that's in this first box here. Right here in this little piece right here, this is the watch itself, and this is the 38mm watch. They didn't have any 42s. That's the one I would have preferred. The main reason I would have preferred that is because it has a slightly larger screen, but I'm fine with this here with the 38mm space gray. And then right here you have the charging cable and the wall adapter. And that's pretty much it for the unboxing. I mean, it's simplistic, yet the way Apple usually does things, pretty elegant. So yeah guys, like I said, this is the new Apple Watch that I just picked up today. All this is a quick unboxing. Like I said, I'm going to do a review of it. I want to spend a little time actually wearing it, getting used to it, and then do a comparison of it and the Garmin Vivoactive HR. So if you guys are interested in that, stick around. That should be coming up probably within the next week or so. But anyway, stick around. There's more videos to come. If you have any questions or comments or anything like that, please drop that down in the comment section. Any videos that you'd like to see me do with this, as far as tips, tricks, or anything like that, drop that down in the comment section below. If you haven't already done so, please do hit that like button, as it really does help out a lot. If you haven't already done so, hit the subscribe button and click the little bell so that whenever I upload a video, you'll get notified of it. And share the videos with other people that you already know. And I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.